Alright, I am now coming up to building number 5 here in the 60s wing here at Disney's Pop Century Resort. In front of the Jungle Book main characters. I forget the name of the bear and the boy. Anyways, let's take a look at the elevators in this building. And it looks like we got more Fujitec elevators with Otis Series M2 button replacements. I believe these used to have EPCO SSL fixtures before Otis came and replaced the fixtures. And we have this car to ride first. Let's go to 4. Here on 4. Back down to 1. Send this over your way, we'll try to get the left car. There goes that elevator. And now we'll try to get the left car. And here's this elevator. It's a bit brighter in here. 4. Door close does not work on this set of elevators. Here on 4, bright orange up here. Back down to 1, we'll end the video. You get a cab view of this elevator. Same as the other building here in the 1960s wing. Pretty well themed because you gotta be yellow in the back because the exterior of the building or the wing is yellow. Floor indicator, certificates. Otis Series M2 button replacements, capacity starting 100, this is elevator 1, no phone, and your air freshener as well. There you are, you're welcome.
I don't know, I don't know.
I'll let her go up. Don't want to get her on the camera. And that'll be it for this set of elevators.